Welcome to the channel where all you gotta do is buy a spot welder. So I got lots and lots of sheet metal work to do on not only the Bronco, but obviously the Mustang. There's pieces of it visible here. And a lot of them I can't spot weld. I'm gonna have to plug weld them, but if there's an opportunity to spot weld it instead, it's going to be a better solution, right? You don't have to drill a hole in it and plug weld it, and then it's not going to sit flush and whatever. So anyway, I picked one of these guys up at my semi-local Harbor Freight. It's probably not the greatest spot welder in the world, but none of my tools are. That should be fine. Make it work. Usually half the fun's fixing it, right? Oh, replacement tips. That's neato. Alright, decided to get the 240 volt one because, you know, bigger number must be better. Oh, and it came with no plug. That's kind of neat. So I can scrounge something up around here. I wonder if they're expecting you to hardwire that. That would be silly. I won't be doing that. Quite a bit of effort to do this, but otherwise I was going to have to put that hose and then this hose, and I think this hose is like way long enough so I can plug it in wherever. This will be a portable tool. There's no way I'm going to be able to use, what is this, 3 feet or something? Like this is completely useless. Where am I going to get 220 volts? It's 4 feet from where I'm going to need it. So I just popped this cover off and redid the ground. A little bit of light, and then white wire go to the white wire, black goes to the black wire. And then we got some shrink tube on here, so I'll solder that guy up. Got a little soldering iron is getting warm. So we'll solder that up and we'll slide the shrinky tube down it, and then we'll put those together, slide the shrink tube around it, and then bolt it back together. One of the things that forced me here, I don't know if you can see that, but I got a couple of drawers on my toolbox that are like this. So I was just gonna kind of clean the paint off it and sparky spark. Some of the stuff that has, you know, heavy stuff in it, like my drawer full of vice grips. Okay, so there it is, all done. Pluggerized in. And yeah, it totally works. Makes a little bit of sparkiness, but that guy is not gonna break. We'll get another piece of scrap and you know, show you how it kind of works. It's really quite using my elbow to pinch this guy right now. Alright, so I'm holding the camera with one hand. Crunch it together. It's probably about 2 to 3 seconds, so I'm going to do 2.5 1,000ths. 1,000, 2 1,000, and then it gets a little bit stuck on here. You kind of got to go like that to get it out. And there you have it. It's good and stuck. I can try and pry that apart, but yeah, it's well and truly stuck. So I think it's going to work out good. And it's pretty light, right? It weighs, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 pounds, something like that. But you can totally manhandle it into position pretty easily. I mean, I wouldn't do it with one hand holding a camera, but totally if I'm welding something, you know, the roof braced together or whatever, I could just totally stand there and hold it and, bzz, 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 and make it work. So anyway, not too terrible. I think probably I should put like a wing nut on here. Otherwise you need this wrench to loosen it up to adjust for different sizes of materials, but honestly you could adjust it, get it right on the bench for the material size you're using, and then go back and change it if you change material sizes. So, oh, this works pretty good to keep your hands warm too. That's nice. It's a nice feature when it's cold out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and make some comments if you you disagree or don't appreciate something I've done or haven't done. It'd be kind of cool if this thing had a switch that you could just, you know, when you got to a certain distance it would hit automatically, which is kind of normal, but I guess the fact that it sticks makes that not work so good, right? Because you can't stop it. So anyway, this toggle switch, I guess it works. So anyway, thanks for watching.